Hi there. Bank holiday weekend fast approaching, so of course the weather is turning a little more changeable during the next few days, with plenty of showers to talk about from Friday onwards. But for the time being, settled conditions remain. Just some signs of the change on the way, because we've seen this medium and high level cloud thicken through the day, and a weak weather front has brought some damp weather to western Scotland. That's now moving up into the far north, mainly Orkney, by the end of the night. And signs of some rain approaching the far southwest, especially the Scilly Isles, by the end of the night. But in between, actually, for the most part, it's dry, clear spells, but some areas of medium and high level cloud around, and increasingly breezy as we begin Thursday. That wind gusting over western hills in particular, and that's going to affect the feel of the day, making it feel cool, especially along the North Sea coast, as it has done during the last couple of days or so. In the southwest, though, well, that showery rain does move through. And so for Devon, Cornwall, Somerset, Dorset, and then into Wales by the afternoon, outbreaks of rain on and off, some heavy bursts at times as well, and some thicker cloud here, 15 to 18 Celsius. But just ahead of that, if we see some sunshine through the Midlands into East Anglia and the southeast, well, that's where the temperatures will peak at 19, even 20 Celsius. Some warmth pushing up ahead of the showery rain. Meanwhile, a significant temperature contrast across northern England and Scotland, 9 or 10 on the coast, but across western Scotland, the potential for 14, 15, even 16 Celsius if we see some brightness. Early rain clearing from Orkney, but staying cloudy. Then the showers that I mentioned across Wales and the southwest merge to longer spells of rain into central and eventually northern parts of England, Northern Ireland as well, and some heavy downpours perhaps for the southeast, even some rumbles of thunder coming into southern England towards the early hours of Friday. The rain reaches the central belt, but it stops short of northern Scotland, and here we'll see some clear spells and increasingly strong wind for the Northern Isles as we start off Friday. Otherwise, for much of the UK, it's a cloudy night with spells of rain as we start off Friday. Now on Friday, the main weather front associated with this rainfall moves through northern England into southern and central Scotland, so some persistent rain here, especially around the North Sea coast once again. But further south, the rain breaks to showers, and those showers will be hit and miss. But where they do occur, the risk of hail and thunder, and they could form in bands known as convergence lines, meaning that one or two spots, especially in the southwest and perhaps from Lincolnshire up towards Yorkshire, we could see some quite a lot of rainfall, 30 to 40 millimetres in these convergence lines, where the lines of showers line up through the day and persist. But away from the showers, there will be some sunshine, 16 to 18 Celsius in the south and across northwest Scotland as well. Temperatures up into the mid or even high teens. Then into the weekend itself, there will be some further showery rain about. Initially, as we go into Friday night, this weather feature will approach from the southwest. That's going to bring some more persistent rain as we start off the weekend into the southwest as well as Wales. It moves up then into the southeast of England as an area of showery rain by the afternoon, most likely. However, there are some uncertainties on the exact timings of this, which I discuss more in the 10-day trend. Of course, you can find that on the Met Office YouTube channel. Further north, the more straightforward story for Saturday, sunshine and showers. The showers less lively compared with Friday, and there will be some warmth in the sunshine compared with previous days. Sunday and Monday bring further showery rain at times, and again, more detail on that in the 10-day trend.